Do you want to create 3D models on the computer? Are you planning on pursuing a technical career creating parts or designing homes? Maybe you are thinking about becoming a mechanical engineer or architect. Then the Bayside's technical design course is the perfect class for you. Drafting is the study of creating mechanical parts, assemblies, and drawings for manufacturing. Tech designers also create drawings for architectural purposes. All products and homes start their life as an idea. The idea is typically sketched to create a visual image of the design. The image is then created into a virtual 2D drawing or 3D model or building. As a student in Bayside's tech design program, students will learn how to create virtual 2D drawings using AutoCAD and 3D models using Inventor and Fusion 360. They can also design 3D buildings using Revit. Students can bring their work to life with the use of the program's 3D printers or laser cutters. This CTE course prepares students to enter the technical and engineering fields. The structure of the class will also prepare students for the rigor of college-level courses and the demands of the career field. All students have the opportunity to earn 4 industry certifications that they can use to gain employment at places like Harris after graduating high school. The technical design course is open to all students pursuing a technical, architectural, or engineering path. If you have any questions, stop by room 714 to speak with Ms. Wilson for more information.